आज तो समय थोड़ा बदल गया है, उन्होंने टेररिस्ट यूज़ करना शुरू किया है. This year they have started using the word terrorist, by the way. Have you noticed the trend change? Only this year. इससे पहले कि उठाइए आप.
Gunmen.
हाँ, gunmen. And at times even gunmen और militant भी नहीं use करते थे कि unknown people. Right? So that transition till the time our leadership, these leadership by the Kashmiri population are compelled to take a side, right? And not play on soft separatism or this thing, उनसे बातचीत होनी चाहिए. What बातचीत होनी चाहिए? That country needs to be destroyed, actually.
You're talking about Mr. Dullat, who said this just last week.
Please. Something very... there can't be a more person who's debasing to his own organization. How can you write all that, what you have written, and put to shame your entire security establishment by just because you want to sell a book? Right? I'm sorry, ma'am. I don't believe in it. You are retired. You came out from a very, very... Intelligence agency is writing books on intelligence operations. You are setting people to be killed, not only who were serving that point of time, but who were possibly believed, and they stepped out of the comfort zone to support your intelligence operations. How do you write it? I'm going to be trolled by the government agencies and everybody for saying this, but what Mr. Dullat has done is actually shameful. You can't come out and write and release a book on intelligence operations are supposed to be hidden forever.
But there are so many bureaucrats who have headed organizations which dealt with the proxy war and post-retirement became part of the peace process, saying that what they did when they were in service yielded no results, and hence the peace process is something that they want to be part of.
मिता, जिस देश की बुनियाद आपके देश को बर्बाद करने के लिए, जो देश अपने लोगों को मरवा रहा है, आप तो कश्मीर में जाके हिंदुओं को मरवाने की बात कर रहे हैं. वो पाकिस्तानियों को मरवा रहे. The largest number of people who have been killed by the state-supported terrorist organization within their own country. Right? Their popular elected leader is behind the jail, who was supposed to have been elected. Right? The persons who are running terror organizations, of course, they have not turned back on them, some of them, but वो फाइटर जेट्स को उड़ा करके बॉम्ब करते हैं अपने लोगों को. I hope you know all that.
Yes.
They shell, right? They carry out firing. They carry out
gunshots
killings.
on Baloches. Yes.
Gunshots on not only Baloches. In North, in Fatah, you go to Gilgit-Baltistan, they treat their people who are, by the way, Muslims, but they are from Shia, right? तो वो उनके साथ जब करने को तैयार हैं, तो आप और हम, वो आसिफ मुनीर जी खड़े होकर बोलते हैं कि हिंदूज आर टोटली अलग. They don't look at thousands of years of civilization which we have been part of, and suddenly we become alag.
The two-nation theory.
Yeah, so when the leadership who's going to rule that country, they are ruling the country, madam. He addresses, have you seen our Chief of Army Staff addressing प्रवासी भारतीय लोगों के साथ में और उनको जियो स्ट्रैटेजी के बारे में
and religion के बारे में
और रिलीजन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.